few weeks ago, I posted a video. It was really more of a slideshow, but it displayed every single page of Lionel's 1977 catalog. And it made me realize that I actually have a few of these trains from the MPC era and that catalog. The Amtrak Lake Shore Limited is something that I wanted as a kid, but I had to wait until the mid-1990s before I would find a used one at a train show. It was already almost 20 years old, but whoever owned it before me took pretty good care of it. Inside the original box was all of the original track and the transformer, plus, most importantly of all, the cars and the diesel locomotive were almost like new. I can't remember exactly how much I paid, but it was somewhere between $80 and $100. That's pretty good value for 2 coaches, a Vista Dome, an observation car, and the powered Alco unit. Plus, the original Amtrak color scheme is still my favorite. The Amtrak graphics have gone through a total of 7 phases, but the one that started it all in 1972 looks the best, at least in my eyes. I like the black roof, the bloody nose, and even the so-called pointless arrow. This diesel, or Lionel's F3s, are what I always picture when someone says Amtrak. You could also buy any of these 3 extra add-on cars to make your Lakeshore Limited even longer. It was just about 3 years ago that I bought my first Lionel F3. They always seemed very expensive to me, but then I found Santa Fe 8652 on eBay for just under $60. After some paint work and a new nose decal, this single-motor A unit looks almost like new again. I made several videos of this train's transformation, and I'll put a link in the description below. Well, that first F3 led to another, and then a third with a different road name, until I found this pair of unmolested Southern diesels, still with their original boxes. I usually buy trains that need work of some kind, but I always admired the green, gold, and white of these locomotives. I don't have the dummy B unit, but I'm pretty satisfied with just these two A units. In 1977 also introduced the Mickey Mouse Express. That first year, Lionel offered a diesel, 3 boxcars, and a caboose. The number of high-cube boxcars would grow over the years, but 9660 for Walt Disney's main animated character would begin the series. '96-61 would feature Mickey's sidekick, Goofy, while '96-62 would be dedicated to their hot-headed friend, Donald Duck. The N5C porthole window caboose for Walt Disney's Mickey Mouse Express is numbered 9183. It has a larger version of the same graphic used on the boxcars, and all of these featured unique Disney artwork on the boxes, different from Lionel's other offerings of the time. I saved for last what should normally be at the front. This is a Lionel U36B diesel locomotive, and it completes my collection of 1977's Mickey Mouse Express. 7 more boxcars came out in 1978, but it took me nearly 5 decades to get this locomotive, because I just got it this year from trains.com. You may have noticed 2 additional boxcars in that lineup. Lionel actually made a birthday car for Mickey in 1978, but it's over $200 now. So I made my own and also came up with the Dalmatians boxcar. Both were repainted and both now feature my own inkjet decals. Lionel and Disney kept on making high cube boxcars together. There must be over 20 by now. But the original Mickey Mouse Express from the 1970s would have only 10. I'll do a complete video on those at some point in the future. For now, though, I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.